In today's video, I'll show you how to block spam comments in WordPress and keep your website clean and professional. If you manage a WordPress site, you already know how annoying spam comments can be. The good news is that WordPress offers reliable tools to handle this problem easily. One of the best and simplest ways to block spam comments is by using an anti-spam plugin. The most popular option is Akismet Anti-Spam, created by Automatic, the same team behind WordPress. Akismet is trusted, effective, and usually pre-installed on most WordPress sites. To activate it, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the Plugins section. Find Akismet in the list of installed plugins and click Activate. Once activated, Akismet will ask for an API key. You can get this key directly from the Akismet website. They offer a free plan for personal blogs and paid plans for business or professional websites. After setup, Akismet automatically checks all incoming comments and filters out spam in real time. Its system constantly updates, which helps protect your site from new spam techniques. Even though it works very well, it's a good idea to occasionally review your spam folder, as real comments can sometimes be filtered by mistake. For stronger protection, you can also combine Akismet with other security or comment moderation plugins. This layered approach helps reduce spam even further and keeps your website credible and user-friendly. Blocking spam comments is an important step in maintaining a healthy WordPress site. Thanks for watching. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.